first we put back the belt slot. Make sure it was straight, not look like this. So it will affect. So we first put it like this, and then adjust the gearbox with this. First they need to match, and then put back the transparent part. When you install, first time you install back, like you might look like very loose, not match. Okay, you can press here and make the motor a little bit left, and then put it back. It's still like this. We need to adjust more times. Put it back. So now it was tight. So you go back, and then do one more test, see if it works fine.
Understand?
Yeah.
Finished.
Yeah, I finished.
Okay.